Let's talk about the latest launch Motorola smartphone Moto G75 5G with matte vegan leather design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, approximately 86.8% screen-to-body ratio, 19.92. 9 aspect ratio, approximately 387 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits high brightness mode, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony Leica 600 sensor main camera with aperture 1.79 and optical image stabilization support, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2 and with flicker sensor. For selfies it has 16 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, up to 5 major Andriod upgrades and 6 years of security updates, based on exclusive optimized version of My UX screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.09 by 77.24 by 8.34, or 8.44 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams, and the color options: charcoal gray, succulent green, aqua blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 30-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G75 5G has been priced in Europe for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at €299. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G75 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.